Welcome back to another backtesting video. We are going to use the spinning tool to decide what year we're going to do. We're going to do 2021. And we are going to do second month, which is February, and the week we're going to do, or we're going to reduce our session to just 1 week, but spend more time on it, which will really help. So week 1 to 4. So February 2021, week 4. Okay. Feb 2021, week 4. 50,000. February 2021, week 4. So this week here. We'll start at okay. And just 1 week off from that. There we go. Let's get into the session. Live traded today, did not take any trades whatsoever. I nearly took one. It was a winner, but I didn't like it. Other than that, we just expanded to all-time highs. And it was just long, man. I can't lie. It's just long. Okay, so let's start with the weekly. We're going to go from the weekly now. Not much to say, we're still on an uptrend. Coming back into this weekly order block. The daily, we are very close to this daily intermediate low. I wonder if we're close to it on ES as well. We're in a daily gap. And we've got an unfilled daily gap just below, but we could just respect this. We've got an SMT with ES. Oh wait, the SMT is for this. Okay. The 4 hour is very bearish. We've reacted from this 4 hour up here. We've expanded. I expect maybe a retrace into this hourly, and then we can short from there. We've got some equal lows below, perhaps. Yes, it's a bit weaker downwards. We've already come up into this hourly 1, 2, 3 times, and it's now like just an hourly intermediate. So we could just be coming down here. Do have a 15-minute here, so if this gets respected, I can look for shorts, but it looks like we've had a big rejection wick here. ES hasn't closed below this below the 15-minute fair value gap, so I can see us coming up before shooting down to these lows and hopefully this daily intermediate low. So let's just get into the session. Wow, come up straight away into the 15-minute gap, and it doesn't look like it was an entry lower because we've already taken out our break-even point. But it's like there was an S&T here as well. But it's just unfortunate we don't have. I mean, I do like the fact that I've come up with the 15-minute. We had an S&T at this high, if I'm correct. So the next logical step would be to come to this low, which has a pretty high probability. Was there a 30-second in there? Oh, it kind of was, yeah. There was a 30-second. Damn it. Okay, let's just say we missed that one. That's fine. If I took this short, it would be. We put the stop down here, and I'll target this daily gap or the London low. and I'll go break even at this. So let's hope it gets break even so I don't cry myself to sleep. Drat. Okay, we take out the London low. We get an S&T at the low. It looks like we're going to come up to here on the S. This 1 minute long, I don't love it. Don't mind it actually. Don't mind it at all. But we're so close to this daily drawdown here that I don't really want. And also we've got a 5 minute rejection wick out of the 15 minutes, so ES is going to take that, and maybe we get an S&T. We could have something on the short out of here, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, that might have been a break even there if I did decide to take that long. But it stops here. 1 to 1, yeah, it would have been a break even. So that's fine. Still expecting this 15-minute gap. We've got another S&T with this high right here. But we are very close to it still. Don't know how I'd feel about taking another short here because we've gone down, then up, and down. It's not clear. We've got an S&T still holding from the bottom. So it's not clear for me. I'd rather us come up into this hourly gap, and then we can get shorts out. You do get the 2 minute close there. It's just tough. It's really tough for me to take this. Just not a fan of how we're moving. Now we've got a short entry, then we've got a long entry, then we've got a short entry. So I'm going to wait for something higher time frame. Good fade. Can we come up to the hourly? We do. It's like we're accumulating before 10 a.m. Maybe we get some 10 a.m. manipulation here. I'm seeing a small minute gap has been inversed. Do you have an internal 5 minute we can target? No. It's also a 2 minute here, but I'd rather us manipulate up. We've got some AMD structure, and then we can just target these lows down here. So I'm hoping we get some sort of manipulation at 10 a.m. We do. Is there 30 seconds to the downside? There is. I mean, this looks pretty nice. It's just a shame there's no internal target, really. So all we can do is aim for a 1-to-1. 30-second inverse here. The downside, got accumulation, manipulation, stop hunt, as we've already come into the hourly, but we go back and take it again. Then we get displacement out. We'll put our stops here, and we'll just target a 1-to-1. Even though we've inversed the 15, I mean, I'm pretty confident about a reaction here anyway. I wish there was like a break-even point we can go. Don't have an S&T, but we've got 10 a.m. PO3, AMD as well, so hopefully this works out. Break even. We're taking out 10 a.m. low. We will. I'll break even probably at this like accumulation low here. Hello? Bro, what's going on? Let me order it. Thank you. Let's see if this plays out. Go on the 30-second time frame. Okay, somebody didn't put their stop loss correctly. I meant to put it up here. And it hasn't stopped us out. So I'm gonna redo that. That is a winning trade. Don't hate me. Don't hate me. Don't hate me. This is a winning trade. I said at the high. Okay, I've just not done it accurately. Okay, let's order it again. Stupid thing, man. Order. Save. Same trade. Oh, let's extend that to 500, please. 1 to 1. Well, see if that stopped me out there anyway. I probably would have gotten this 30-second inverse here. And what's ES doing? ES has a 15-minute it could target actually. ES is wicking the 50% line, the consequent encroachment. Um, I can't believe we don't have a 50-minute target, so we're just going to go for a 1 to 1 here. Taking out the low, closed it. I might go break even when we take this low. We're going to retake it. Sorry. Okay, we haven't closed above the. If we close above this 30-second FVG, then I'll get out if I can. Now we go break even. There we go. Could we have targeted the 15-minute on ES? Waited till it came in, extend my take profit, and then wait till ES came to this line. Let's see. No, okay. I mean, again, that's a really good trade there. If I didn't take that first entry, I definitely would have taken one of these. We have an S&T here, which is really nice. What is this manipulation? Doesn't matter. We literally do the exact same trade, but then we have a better break-even point, and we can take it down to the 15-minute on ES, which is really nice. Would there have been an entry there though? Not really. The entry would have been here, which is disgusting. Let's see if this plays out for a 1 to 1. Or maybe even, should we drag it to this low? Let's see if this would have played out. Okay, it would have been break even here. Take profits at 1 to 1. And it would have hit the target. Okay, decent, decent, decent. Yeah, this is really good. You could have taken either one of these trades. This 10 a.m. manipulation, boom. I can't, well, we're lucky that didn't stop us out, but if it did, we also had another 30-second inverse here. You could have taken this one. We have stopped here. And then same thing, target 1 to 1. Or you could have taken, probably in my mind, the best trade of the day. This one. Entry's rubbish. However, we've got the S&T as well. And ES is actually moving for once. It's accumulation, manipulation, distribution on ES. Whereas before, we were just accumulating kind of. But we did manipulate on NQ, but we didn't get that manipulation on the ES leg. And we are respecting the CE of this hourly. We are wicking above. And then we had that draw earlier of the daily gap below. So that's a really good Monday, honestly. Yeah, let's go to the next day. Mm, what are we done to these FEGs? Bleeding hell. I mean, I don't think we'll be respecting them. I don't respect the best price action because London has absolutely just gone to the floor by 300 points. And whenever that happens, or nearly 400 points, it's just shit trading. It's shit trading. What's the word? Conditions in the New York session. It's already looking really weird, actually. Stacked highs here. That will become a 4 at some point. I mean, it doesn't look the best, does it? Have we reached that external? We have. We've reached it on ES as well. Where was the next daily low? Here. Is anything with 4 hour? There is. We have just entered a 4 hour gap, first presented. So I can see a wee reaction out of here. So we did enter it and we've reswept it if I'm correct. No, we haven't. We've just come into it. Okay. On ES, we are literally in that exact same gap, which is really nice. Honestly, I wouldn't mind an inversion. Here's the upside. We don't have a stop hunt, but I can see this going somewhere fast. There we go. We have that stop hunt. Is there a 30-second in here? There is a tiny 30-second. It's a good break-even point here as well. Don't get an S&T. Let's go on 30-second. Okay. We are not reacting to the 4 hour whatsoever, which is a bit crazy in my. I can't believe we're not reacting to the 4 hour there. Strange to me. We've got this low here. Just taking this 4 hour. We've got a big rejection wick here. 4 hour time frame, so we might be able to get some sort of reaction out of here. This has just come into a daily gap. Also a daily rejection wick. There, I wouldn't want to take a continuation because this is acting very high resistance at the moment. Inverse the 4 hour now. We get our rejection wick of our own. Got a 15-minute gap here. So we're respecting CE of this rejection block, which is nice. On both we have a 15-minute now. there's an S&T here, it'd be nice. It's not. Um, wow. So a 2 minute here, 3 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. I mean, this 1 minute inversion was the highest time frame, which is just a bit weird. When was this? We got on the hourly. Um, I don't mind this shot, to be honest. Uh, Not that I would take it, obviously. Obviously. Okay. Look how strong that rejection wick is. Jeez. Maybe we can get some sort of continuation here. Maybe. Got a 5 minute here. It is sponsored in my mind, in my eyes. Inverse the 15 minute. We do have a more discounted 15 minute down here. But I doubt price is going to come all the way down here. Could be wrong. Before coming up. I mean, yes, only has one 15 minute gap. It's got a 5 minute here as well. Let's see what happens. Is there anything here? There's a 30 second. Wait, no, there's not. It's not even a 30 second. We can inverse, which is annoying. Oh, we get the S&T as well. What? Well, let's see if there was like any inversion here. I would take it. Oh no, we do have a small 2 minute, right? Yeah. Glad we didn't take that. This is a lot stronger of a S&T though. We've wicked CE. Can't believe there's not an inversion here. That's the 2 minute close as well, isn't it? I'm fairly confident about this draw as well. Wow, what a bullish candle that was. That was a manipulation. 30 as well, yeah. 15 minute candles, got a rejection wick down. Manipulate into the 5 minute. Wicked EE, wicked CE of the wick. Displaced, got a 1 minute change in the state of delivery and a 2 minute inversion. And we're just going to target a simple 1 to 1. I'm actually going to put this line. Maybe do 1 to 1.15. We'll see what happens. Break even would probably probably be not this line, but if we sweep this, get a retrace, then go above the high, that's where my break even would be. Boom. Simples. Really nice trade. So 30-second in there holding us up. That was lovely. Really nice trade. Obvious draw. Obvious bias. We've inversed all this 15-minute. We're reaching out of this daily order block, not order block, daily rejection block. 5-minute continuation. Really nice. We had a C tap at the 5-minute, an S&T. Yeah, it's beautiful, really. Beautiful. And we targeted the 1.15 also because I thought it was going to absolutely just smack this TP. And yeah, it might come down now. We could have got 1 to 2. Oh, well, I'm happy with that. 2 trades, 2 wins. It's nice. And where are we on the week? We're on Wednesday. How long is this so far? 20 minutes. 13 minutes a day. Keeps the doctor away. Oh God, this chart looks weird. Massive rejection whip. Do inverse that. Daily gap. Yeah, same on the ES. We come down to this first presented hourly, daily, strong rejection wick. And then we do have a daily gap here. But I don't know if we're going to be that bullish. We're trying to be bullish at the moment. But we're not getting past this first presented hourly. It's being strong. We have an S&T? We do have an S&T. I reckon that will hold, to be honest with you. So I'm looking for this 15-minute hourly intermediate. And, oh, a Judas hit up here would be lovely. Okay. Remanipulate it. Okay. No entry there, I don't think. This is 2-minute. Closes on the dot. Is that 3-minute? No. Okay. So it did exactly what I said I wanted it to do. Come up into the 15-minute, target the hourly intermediate. No entry, which is fine. We've got 15-minute intermediate just below. Would I expect this leg to go all the way? Depends what we do on the hourly. So we'll just have to wait for that. Okay, we've not taken this. Oh, stretch back. How's the figure looking? I'm cutting, so it should look alright. And it looks so white because I've got a massive screen in front of me. I'm pretty white anyway. Oh, we don't reach that. Don't reach that 15-minute intermediate low, or the 15-minute first presented, which does surprise me a little bit. Okay, what have you done on the hourly? Respected it. Okay, I can see a move up here then. I can see a move up here. We're stacking these highs as well. So maybe some sort of manipulation down. If you do get, is there a 30-second? Now, what do I say the 30-second? Maybe. If we get the inverse, I mean, ES looks horror. This shouldn't be low probability conditions, but it is. Kind of. Especially on the hourly, so, I mean, it'll be hard for me to short. Unless maybe we inverse these to 15 minutes. I'll mark out this first presented 15 minute just in case, but hourly is the highest time frame here. But I can see a narrative for longs out of this. Wait a second. Well, see, there's a 5 minute gap here. It's not the end of the world. Mech long. Mech long, you say? Yeah, an S&T inside of a 15-minute first presented. We are wicking and holding the CE. We haven't even closed it below the 1 minute, or below the CE on the 1 minute time frame. Potentially, we could get an entry here, but I mean, maybe a bit rough of an entry. Oh, that looks really good. Damn it. Damn it. Would have been a break even if we got an entry, I reckon. Damn. Going without us, eh? Going without us. That was really nice, but what can we do? What's your respect on the alley again? $15 minute. Let's see, a 5 minute long here. What wouldn't be the end of the world? I see a narrative for it. Yes, it's got great draws. How long do we have left? 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, do I take this? Well, ES has got to be reacting out of something though. Right, is there a new hourly gap there? Don't want the 51 minute time. I don't mind this 5 minute long. We're respecting on the hourly still. We have wick down. We've respected the 15 minute first presented gap. We've inversed up. We've got really strong draws on ES, fairly strong draws on NQ, low resistance liquidity. Only problem is my stop is kind of, I don't mind that. Place to go break even. Not ready. Focus in here. We'll put our stop at 50% of this wick. And then we'll just go for a 1-to-1. See if this plays out. Oh. ES does have this. I've got just got to check. Yeah, ES does have this hourly above, which I'm expecting it to get. It's coming down to this hourly. It's respecting it. It's come down to this hourly rejection block, respecting it. Did it hit EQ? No, it's still respecting it. I definitely expect it to come up here. So that will be my break-even point, I reckon. Break even. Can we hold to a 1-to-1? Yes. Wow. To the tick. Really nice trade. Yeah, 3 for 3, which is really nice. So we've come up into this daily gap, which I did outline before. We've got heavy displacement lower from it though. Been adjusted to 4 hour gap. We are settling in a 1 hour gap at the moment. If you want to come up, we can kind of come to here. I'm fairly neutral today. For the first time in a long time. Yes, it's in this 4 hour. I'll draw this. We are wicking the CE of this hourly. We've got an S&T between these lows. We might get a 15-minute inversion to the upside, but let's see. We've got a 15-minute just laying here, which is weird. Let's see. Okay. I think that consummates our buys for the day now. I can't lie. I'm bullish. Okay. Taking out our draw directly at market open. What can you say to that, huh? Got this. I'll mark up this as well. So we now have an S&T from this side to this high. Let's see if it's a valid S&T anyway. Oof. Looks like a valid S&T to me. Got a 15-minute gap. Here. Looks like we are stacking liquidity. This is also news, I believe. Hello. Yeah, sick session, man. Come all the way up, then all the way down. Bloody hell. No entry whatsoever. So just going to chop for the rest of the session. Yes, has come into this 15-minute gap. On NQ, we've done the same. Is it hourly as well? Still in this hourly. Reswept it when? Not on an obvious time, to be honest. This long I'm not keen on, too keen on. Yeah, I'm not too keen on this long at all, so I'm just going to take read it. God, this chart is disgusting. Wait a second. Well, see, I think I'm rather short here. anyway. So we'll take read this long. RR's not great. Of course it wins though, because I'm like the GOAT. It's just very sloppy price action. I needed a bit more. Oh, you know what? I didn't realize this was 15. It didn't manipulate down. Oh, we did manipulate into this rejection block here. That's the only thing maybe I could have got better. I manipulated up and immediately inversed the 30-second there. Ideally, an S&T there would be amazing as well. Well, we move. Kind of got this massive 5-minute gap. See if we respect it. Wow! Is it valid? No, 4 minutes got 2 minutes left. I mean, wow. That was a 14-minute gap. I'm not the biggest fan of this either. Well, there's no stop pump. There is V-shape, but we would be targeting a 15-minute. This could be high resistance. I'm not interested about this short. So I am gonna record this. I'm gonna put it into my faded trades. Like for us to say this low and it's only 0.6 R, like it's just I'm not loving it. I have come up, respected the 5-minute. Maybe we get a better RR trade of this rejection block here. That will make me more happy. And we can just target a 1-to-1, not the external. So this is a faded trade. Faded trade. Bad RR could be protected low at external as took out hourly gap. Other wait for a better R trade. See what happens here. Oh my god. And we're in an hourly still. I don't mind that. I don't mind that fade. I think that's pretty low probability. But we'll see. If I take 10 of the same trades, or I call them as faded trades, I fade them all, and then 7 of them win, and then 3 of them lose. That's fine. But that's like maybe a 50% win rate, that trade, in my most humble opinion. And once we inverse this hourly, then I'll be able to. But we don't even inverse the hourly. We do take this low. So, I mean, what's a guy meant to do when he's just this good at trading? Joking, I actually suck still. I'm not profitable live market yet. I reckon I'm profitable backtesting, for sure. I need to transfer that live. And like I feel like I'm getting better and better at backtesting every day. And I just haven't been able to see it on live yet because I've only been like where I am right now for like a week, and it's been a rubbish week of price action. Just swept into this. I mean, let's go. Let's do this properly, man. What day is this? Friday, Thursday. There we go. We're never eating that. What am I doing? I mean, I'm I'm certain it's going to come to the 4 hour gap. Expecting this 15 minute. Have we just gone into there? Yeah, we have. Or just go there straight away. I'm hoping we get a resweep of this 15 minute intermediate low. What? And we have an S&T with the S. Yeah. It's just not obvious in 1 minute, is it? Yeah, it is. Honestly, that's a really good trade in pre-market. Wait, is it? No, not that good. Come on, resweep it. Resweep it. Yay. You gotta be kidding me. Was it a 4 hour? Was. Let's mark out this big fat gap. Huh? You're on S&T there? 3 minute closes in 2 minutes. You've got double S&T there. This is a weird one. Have come into a 4 hour. We are getting this 30-second displacement as well. If we get this 30-second, I'll go in. Okay. This is a 30-minute gap. It is. We could lose this. This is. Is this a Friday? It is. Oh, it's really nice. It's a really nice trade. Honestly. I'm going to get in here. Short position. Stops here. Go from 1 to 1. This is like this is like the mech model perfection. This is the mech model. If it plays. If it doesn't play, oh well. I'll take this every time. Break even. That is the best backtesting week I've ever had in my life. 4 wins or 4 wins on the week. I also called out like 2 trades that won. So yeah, we're looking good. Like you can see I'm profitable backtesting, bro. You can see it. So why the hell can I not be profitable in real life? Huh? I'm not stopping until I do, honestly. Because if I can do it in this scenario, I can do it in another. So I'm eating cheese raw right now. That was the end of the backtesting session. Good 50 minutes. 1 week done, 1 week of price action a day. And it was random. I have not practiced that. Oh, well.